Let's talk about a situation that generally puts women under a lot of stress and creates anxiety during pregnancy. We are talking about bleeding during pregnancy. प्रेगनेंसी में डिफरेंट ट्राइमेस्टर्स में ब्लीडिंग होना डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस को इंडिकेट करता है. मोस्टली ब्लीडिंग को फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर में ही एक्सपीरियंस की जाती है. इट इज़ फेयरली कॉमन एंड 2 out of 10 women एक्सपीरियंस इट. ऐसा होने पर सबसे पहले इंश्योर करें दैट यू विजिट योर डॉक्टर इमीडिएटली सो दैट सिचुएशन को टैकल किया जा सकता है. कुछ रीजंस जिनकी वजह से आप फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर में ब्लीडिंग एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हैं वो है इम्प्लांटेशन ब्लीडिंग. जब जाइगोट आपके यूट्रस में आके इम्प्लांट होता है तो लाइनिंग थोड़ी डिस्टर्ब हो जाती है जिसकी वजह से ब्लीडिंग हो सकती है. This does not require any treatment and gets resolved on its own. This type of bleeding often happens around the time the period would have been due. Cervical changes can also cause bleeding. There can be some changes in the cervix as it gets increased blood supply. This can also cause bleeding at certain times, example after coitus. Ectopic pregnancy. This is another condition that can cause bleeding and requires immediate attention. एक्टोपिक प्रेगनेंसी में एम्ब्रियो फैलोपियन ट्यूब, ओवरी या एब्डोमिनल कैविटी में इम्प्लांट हो जाता है. देयर इज पेन इन लोअर एब्डोमेन, probably on one side indicating implantation in one of the tubes or ovaries. Some symptoms that can make you aware about the bleeding during pregnancy include pain in the tip of shoulder, pain during urination and defecation. These symptoms are accompanied by bleeding during ectopic pregnancy and that will need immediate medical attention. The prognosis of ectopic pregnancy is bad and the pregnancy will have to be terminated either medically or surgically. Sometimes the chromosomal development is not very apt in the baby and hence the fetal development is also not proper. In these cases, the mother nature and uterus do not support the growth of the baby and hence abortion can happen. The other causes for miscarriage include hormonal problems and clotting disorders. Most miscarriages occur during the first 12 weeks of pregnancy, that is in the first 3 months, and sadly, most of them cannot be prevented. These conditions can be avoided during future pregnancy by proper medical intervention. If you want to attain a healthy pregnancy using Ayurveda, you can book your consultations with our doctors through our website www.herbyangel.com. If you found the video helpful, do click on the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit on the bell icon for regular updates.